Alright, so we've reached 50k subscribers, and we reached it like a while ago, like a week ago, so I've had some time to process it, but then every time I think about it, I get more emotional. There are a lot of you that have been here for like a really long time. I've made videos since I started university. I've been blogging even before that, so some of you also came like before that. So it's been like a good 4 years of me like doing YouTube and a full year of me doing it full time. We know other YouTubers that have like millions and millions, but to me it's a really big achievement because I have always been just myself, and I primarily make content like centered around my life and myself, so it's always been a very personal journey. It's very difficult not to take that work personally. Like, I feel like my identity and my work is like very entwined, so it's a huge achievement for me to reach 50k. It's a lot of people. Like, you think about 50k, like 50k, but if you really think about it, that's like how many lecture halls filled with people just like subscribing and being like, hey, I want to watch your next like few videos. You have no idea what it means to me. Like, I know a lot of like YouTubers say this whenever they hit like a certain milestone, but I would quite literally not be here, like moving out on my own, having my doggo, being able to be free in my own space to create as much content as I can for you guys. Like, really long, like if not for you guys, like I wouldn't be here. So it's literally the best thing that's ever happened to me. I've gotten so many opportunities. I've met so many lovely people. I've met some of you guys through this, which is like, to me, it's still like the best part, getting to form all of these like really genuine connections. Like, it's really something quite special lah, and I feel like, I just like, it's like such a big compliment, and it's such a big comfort to know that you guys like really appreciate my content. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all of you who have supported me from the very beginning, or even if you joined me from like the influencer glass doors, like hello, welcome. I'm really happy, but also like I'm very amused by the fact that like I've been doing so many like different things and like trying to, you know, spice things up, and turns out all y'all wanted was for me to like sit down and talk about life. And that's the other thing, like I really appreciate that you guys value my input and you want to have conversations with me and you're willing to have conversations back. Like, I read all of your comments, like every single one, and it's just been a really fun time, you know, all of us like talking together. Like, Mavis like really enjoys like reading all the comments. Like, she was really happy from our last video, and we watched the video ourselves like around 3-4 times. Like, it's kind of lame, but like I really truly enjoy the videos, because to me they're like a time capsule, and I'm so glad that you guys enjoy it too. So to say thank you, I do have a camera giveaway. I will share this at the end of the video, so feel free to skip. I mean, you're probably already halfway through it, but you can skip to the end lah. But I also wanted to let y'all in on some new plans. I know that a lot of y'all really enjoy like my long videos, which is crazy. So many people in the industry told me to like shorten my videos because they were like, Brenda, no one's gonna listen to you talk for half an hour, but you guys love my 1 hour videos. That's crazy. So I'm gonna be making more of these. Let me know in the comments what you want me to talk about. And I saw the comments. I'm just like so excited. Okay, I saw the comments on the previous Q&A, and a lot of you guys have been telling me to like start a podcast, so that is what we're doing. We're starting a podcast, and it's not gonna be called like a wordweed show lah, you know. It's gonna be a larger extension of that. This is something that I've talked about for years. When I did a woke video like 2 years ago on sexual harassment, there was someone that asked like if I could do like a think tank on like privilege, racism, like talking about all these different issues, but in an accessible, like fun infotainment way. I've actually been thinking about that a lot, but I just like couldn't get it off the ground because I didn't know how to. I found it very intimidating to create a podcast because I just like didn't know the gear, like what to do, how to get it live on Spotify to stream, like blah blah. But I took like a podcasting 101 class on Skillshare, and that really helped. So I just want to thank today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of creators, tens of thousands of classes, and you can learn anything from entrepreneurship, productivity, illustration, fine art, podcasting, and even like languages and stuff. You can learn to use the software that you have in your bundles and you just never learn how to use. You can learn to do something, and even if you're like me and you want to start something new and you have no idea how to start. So I learned how to like paint with gouache, and I learned how to like do podcasts from Skillshare, which I think is pretty magical magical because even if you wanted to pay for a class, like how do I podcast, like no one's really offering that class like offline. So I could learn how to podcast like right from the comfort of my own home. All of the episodes are like bite-sized videos. They even gave like worksheets and like stuff to work through, like what your thought process should be and also what an example of a podcast script looks like. So I found that incredibly helpful. Now that I'm also learning how to do like branding and design, I'm also seeing a ton of like logo design, typography, merch design, all that kind of thing. And it's just been so cool and so easy to get all this kind of knowledge so that I can like really up my game and produce like the best podcast I can ever. So Skillshare is actually offering my subscribers 2 months free of premium membership, meaning you can access unlimited classes for unlimited amount of times across unlimited tablets, all with that same account. So if you are interested, and I highly recommend you check it out if you haven't already, click the link down below. I have my link down there. Sign up, 2 months for free. That's 60 days. Learn anything you want. I'll list like my podcast like class down below as well, like in case you want to know more about it, but there's plenty of other stuff as well. It's really useful. There's something there for everyone, so don't forget to check it out. Please give me like a month or so to get things off the ground. I will share details with you as soon as I can. Right now everything is sort of like in the works, you know. If you have any requests for any topics you want me to talk about either on videos or on the podcast, like, can feel free to leave them down below. Other than that, I'm also gonna be inviting my friends onto more videos. I think you really like the interaction I have with like the people around me, so that's really cool. I think my friends are also getting a little bit more comfortable around me with the video. I mean, it's been 4 years and I'm also gonna be, you know, just making videos about my life. I'm not gonna control myself or like dictate where my content goes. You know me, it's always been like a chapalang situation, so it's gonna continue being like quite chapalang lah. So yeah, okay, so should we get into the giveaway? I'm gonna get into the giveaway. I'm giving away a camera! This is a brand new Olympus Pen EPL8. This is brand new in its box. I've never opened it and I wanted to give this away because I was working on a campaign with Olympus and then I was using like their company's like camera and I found that it was really good, but then again I just bought like my new camera. So after the whole collaboration ended, they gave this to me like as payment, right? So I've been saving it since then to do a 50k giveaway, but it took a little while. So hi noodles, hi. So yeah, now's finally the time. I'm so excited to give this away. It's gonna go to one lucky winner. I'm really sorry, I wish I could get like 50,000 cameras for all of you guys, but I just not in my budget right now. So if you guys are interested in winning this, you have to make sure you're following my Instagram as well, because that's how I'm gonna DM you. All you have to do is comment down below with your IG handle and then tell me like a video that you particularly enjoy, a series of videos that you enjoy, you miss, and what you want to see like moving forward. Either suggestions for topics or like a series that you really like or a particular type of video that you want to see more of. So let me know. I am really taking this like quite seriously, okay? I will literally tabulate this and then make videos based on what you guys want to see. The contest will end at the end of the month and then I will pick 10 comments, like 10 of my favorite comments, and then run it through like a random generator to get the winner, and then I'll contact you via Instagram. So good luck. I hope you get it. I hope you get a new camera. That's so great. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos and I thank you so much for your support. It really means so much to me. I cannot wait to get to 100k. They give you like a little plaque and I can't wait to like just really hang it on my wall. I don't even care. I'm so excited for the future and I just feel so like 110% right now, and I really have to thank you guys. By the way, now I also have an editor, okay? Shout out to Xing Hui, she's like dope, okay? She edited the Drunk Elephant review and also the Japanese snack taste test, so show her some love, okay? Go onto those videos, watch it and be like, yo, Xing Hui, good editing. And it's really great because now with her editing, like sometimes I can throw in like a second video of the week. I also posted like 3 videos last week, so in case you haven't seen those, like go check them out, okay? Follow me on Instagram and I will see you guys next week. Thumbs up and subscribe. Did I just like mess up my entire outro? Wow. Okay, bye.